Hello, I'm Andy Clark, and I'm from Crossing Moss, and I'm on my level 3 Pearson's machinist engineering apprenticeship. The reason why I chose it, I took it at school for GCSE. Once I left school, decided to put it in the back works, do some mechanics, but that didn't turn out, so went back down the engineering route. Got into this apprenticeship, really fun. Getting paid to learn, getting paid to meet people, and overall it's a really good experience. I would recommend it to anyone, regardless what you're in now, if you do sixth form or college, to move on to an apprenticeship, because it's just 50 times better than anything. I know people that are in sixth form and they're struggling to get just a job at this point, so, and they're going down the apprenticeship route after. So plus you're getting paid to learn. Part of my apprenticeship, the bit I like the most is every day is different. It's never the same as the day before.